Hey guys, welcome back to the SoCassie channel. Today, we're going to be doing the most epic science experiment that we have ever done before. Now, I've only done a few science experiments before and they've been pretty awesome, but this is going to trump it all, guys. We're going to be doing the classic giant elephant toothpaste challenge. It's just basically this reaction where you add like hydrogen peroxide, you do dishwashing soap, and then you add yeast into it. And the yeast is supposed to make it go poof. If you guys don't know, I actually have done this challenge before. I have it linked up in the iCard, but I did it at a much smaller scale, and I did it in my apartment, and it made quite the mess. Yeah, so we're just gonna stir together this oatmeal looking stuff. Don't eat it though. I don't know if that's correct. Is that right? Come on, something cool happen, please. Hey! Make sure I smash that thumbs up button, and let's go ahead and get started. So before we do our huge version, which we're gonna be using basically all of these ingredients for that, I thought we could do a small scale version first. So all we need for the small one is we're gonna use this Coke bottle. We're gonna use hydrogen peroxide. We have a 3% and 12%. I think I'm gonna use a 12% for this one. We have food coloring, and then instead of using yeast, we're gonna use potassium iodide mixed with some warm water. So I'm gonna put 30 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide. This stuff is dangerous, so that's why I'm using gloves. I recommend not doing this experiment if you guys did not do any good research, which I feel like Carlos and I did a lot of research on this beforehand. We're just gonna do a couple splashes of dish soap. I'm gonna do it just like a little dab, dab, dab. We are gonna do 2 teaspoons of potassium iodide. That is 1 teaspoon. That's the second teaspoon. Crap, I spilled it. So now I'm gonna put the water in here so I can mix it together. I'm gonna let that sit over here. I forgot to add my food coloring into here because obviously we want it to have cool color. This is all straight up red food coloring. Now, all we've got to do, Carlos, is pour that liquid into here. All right, I'm having my trusted husband do the final next part. Oh, doesn't look like it's going to explode. Oh, there it goes! Oh my gosh, it worked! That's what we're gonna do, but like times 100.
All right, now we're gonna do it in our 5-gallon bucket.
Instead of just doing a little bit of this, we're doing 5 whole things of hydrogen peroxide. We're doing almost 2 full things of yeast mixed with warm water and a bunch of dish soap, which is kind of the main activator here is the dish soap.
You hear that?
Hmm?
I hear it's like kind of like, it sounds like it's burning.
Oh yeah, I can hear it. It's officially time to do the big version.
Before she does this, leave in the poll right now if it's gonna blow up higher than the soda bottle.
Other 2 now. This is a lot. Now that I'm like looking at it.
Did the soda bottle come out better than the last experiment you tried?
I think so. Oh, doesn't look like it's going to explode. Oh, there it goes! Hey! That's actually really cool. It didn't blow up. I don't think I need goggles. Okay, last and final bottle, but I'm also gonna throw in a little bit of this 3% hydrogen peroxide since we used a little bit of the hydrogen peroxide for the last one. I just wanted to even out. I'm just gonna do a little bit of this one. If you guys don't know, hydrogen peroxide burns really bad. I got a nasty rug burn. I'll even show them. I gotta ruin my socks for this, but I got this rug burn right here. Literally a nasty rug burn. And I asked Carlos to help me clean it. And I'm like, oh, hydrogen peroxide doesn't burn, right? He's like, no, it doesn't burn. And then he poured it onto my wound.
No. I didn't pour it on your wound. I poured it in a cotton ball and I dabbed it on your...
He dabbed it on my wound. It hurt like no other. So I know this stuff burns, so I'm being careful.
Yeah, and she smacked me a couple times over it.
Next thing we're doing is we're gonna be doing a little bit about like a 1.5 cup of soap. I kind of wanted it to be pretty precise, so I'm making it precise.
Add a little bit more just for more bubbles.
Of course. We're gonna add 1 whole cup. Oop. And then I'm gonna add like a 1/2 cup. I feel like the last one came out orange, which means I need more. Time for the part that's going to actually make this explode, because we're done with that for now. Is I'm gonna put 3 3/4 of water in here. Now we're going to add an entire thing of yeast, because this adds up to
16 envelopes.
16 envelopes. We need 20 envelopes, and I'm gonna add 6 teaspoons from here. But first, we're gonna add this entire packet right here. I was waiting for it so bad.
And remember, this is different from the other one we just did. We did iodine. We're doing yeast this time. 1, 3, 6. All right. I'm gonna mix this mixture together, and then once this is mixed up, it's ready to be poured in. I'm actually excited to see what happens.
I'm excited too.
I've never done this.
I've been wanting to do this experiment for a really long time, especially at like a bigger scale. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Just gonna shake this a little bit.
Yeah, mix it together.
Smells pretty good.
Smell it.
It smells like Dawn soap. I don't know. Do you guys think it's gonna come up to at least my height?
You think it'll be bigger than Carlos?
5'6"
Or do you think it'll be anticlimactic and it's just gonna go?
Is it gonna get my height or is it gonna get Cassie's height?
Or will it just kind of splatter across my yard?
I'm thinking it's gonna pop at least my height.
You think so?
I think so.
Okay, I'm getting pretty nervous though, but real quick guys, smash that thumbs up button for us and let's hope that this goes as awesome as I hope it does.
Okay guys, I'm actually gonna show you up close when I dump it in. I'm gonna hold the camera with one hand and I'm just gonna dump it in. I'm gonna try to back up as fast as I can. Let me put my goggles on. All right, sweetie, did you say it's gonna hit my height or your height?
I think it's gonna
or
hit
even
mine.
Lower than that.
I think it's gonna go higher. Oh, it was anticlimactic.
Oh, it didn't go as high as I wanted to.
Look at the steam on it though. Whoa, this looks so cool though.
I want to do this bigger now, sweetie.
You want to do it bigger?
Yeah, I want to get a barrel.
That was pretty cool.
I want to get a barrel this time. It didn't go as I expected, but it was pretty cool though. I thought I was going to shoot up higher.
I thought it was going to be like kablam and go like way up. Hey, that's pretty cool. Now what? Okay, let us know if you guys think that science experiment went as planned or you think we could have done it better, because I feel like we did it pretty good, but I feel like it definitely could be better next time. I think Carlos and I want to go bigger and better next time, right?
Oh yeah.
We're going to go bigger.
I want to put tarp all over our backyard and all up the wall. Fill this whole thing up.
Fill the entire thing. Anyways, I think we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Make sure you smash that thumbs up button. Let us know if you guys want to see more fun science experiments by smashing that thumbs up button for us. And we'll see you guys next time.
Bye guys.